In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Zopi as a complete beginner step by step. Now, if you've been thinking about starting a dropshipping business and importing products into your online store, but aren't sure where to begin, you're in the right place. This video will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. We'll start by creating your Zopi account, exploring the dashboard, connecting your Shopify store, and importing your first products. Then, we'll customize product listings, publish them to our store, and use the product research tools to discover trending products and analyze competitors. After that, we'll manage customer orders, explore automation features, and use the AI assistant to help with product optimization and everyday tasks. We'll also connect integrations, configure important settings like pricing rules and supplier monitoring, and explore other beginner-friendly features that help you run your dropshipping business more efficiently. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, head over to the official Zopi dropshipping website and click the Sign Up button in the top right corner. This will take you to the Sign Up page, where you'll see several registration options. You can sign up using your Google, Facebook, Apple, or create an account using your email address. For this tutorial, I'll sign up with Google. Once you've selected your Google account and completed the sign-up process, you'll be taken directly to the Zopi dropshipping dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see all of the main sections, including dropship operation, product research, AI assistant, plans and pricing, settings, integrations, and help center. This sidebar is where you'll spend most of your time while managing your dropshipping business. At the top, you'll also notice your selected store, your account information, language settings, and an AI and support button if you ever need assistance. Before we start importing products, make sure you've connected your Shopify store. If you haven't done that yet, we'll cover that shortly in the settings section. Now let's begin with the most important part of any dropshipping business, and that's finding products to sell. From the left sidebar, click on Dropship Operation. This is your main workspace. By default, you'll land on the Add Products tab. Here, you'll notice a large search bar where you can either paste a product URL from websites like AliExpress or Amazon, or simply type a keyword to search for products. For example, let's say you want to sell pet accessories. Click inside the search bar and type a keyword like dog toys, then press Enter. Zopi will display multiple products from different suppliers. Each product card shows useful information such as the product image, selling price, supplier rating, estimated delivery time, and the number of previous sales. You can also use the category filter at the top if you're searching within a specific niche. If you're working with a limited budget, you'll also notice the Budget Picks option, which highlights lower-cost products that may be easier to test. Take your time browsing through the available products. When you find one that interests you, simply move your cursor over it and click Add to Product Center. Once you do that, Zopi imports the product into your account so you can customize it before publishing it to your online store. Now let's manage the products we've imported. At the top of the page, click on Manage Products. This section displays every product you've added to your product center. If this is your first time using Zopi, the page may be empty. Once you've imported products, they'll appear here along with their supplier information and current status. To edit a product, simply click on its name. This opens the product editor where you'll customize your listing before publishing it to Shopify. At the top, you'll see the product title. Most supplier titles are very long and filled with unnecessary keywords, so it's a good idea to replace them with something shorter and more professional. Just below that is the description section. Here you can edit the product description using the built-in editor. Instead of copying the supplier's description exactly, rewrite it so it focuses on the product's benefits rather than simply listing features. This creates a much better shopping experience for your customers. You'll also notice an Enhance option powered by AI next to title and description. Clicking this allows Zopi to improve your product title or description automatically, helping you create more professional listings in just a few seconds. As you can see, it wrote me great description with visuals. Next, open the Images tab. Here you'll find all of the supplier images. If there are any images you don't want to use, simply remove them. You can also rearrange the remaining images so your best product photo appears first, since this will become the main image in your Shopify store. If you want to add your own images, simply click the Add Media button. However, this feature is only available on a higher tier plan, so you'll need to upgrade your subscription first. Once you've upgraded, you can upload and use your own images. After that, move over to Variants and Listing. This section lets you manage different sizes, colors, materials, or other product variations. Review the available options carefully and remove any variants you don't plan to sell. This keeps your product page clean and prevents customers from ordering unavailable options. Now, let's go back to the description section. If you scroll down, you'll also find the SEO section, where you can optimize your product for search engines. Here, you can review your search engine title and description. These details help improve your visibility on Google, so it's worth spending a few minutes creating an SEO-friendly title and description using keywords related to your product. You can also use AI to generate or improve the SEO title and SEO description. However, this feature is only available on a higher tier plan, so you'll need to upgrade your subscription before you can use it. Once you're satisfied with everything, go to the top right corner and click Push Product. If this is your first time using Zopi, you'll be asked to connect your online store before the product can be published. Over here, choose your e-commerce platform. Zopi supports Shopify, Amazon, eBay, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, BigCommerce, Squarespace, and TikTok Shop. Since we're using Shopify in this tutorial, we'll keep Shopify selected. On the right side, enter your Shopify store domain and then click Connect. Once you click Connect, you'll be redirected to your Shopify store. Over there, simply install the Zopi app by clicking Install and approve the required permissions. After the installation is complete, your Shopify store will automatically be connected to Zopi. From now on, whenever you click Push Product, you'll be able to publish products directly to your connected store. Now, let's move on to one of Zopi's most powerful features, which is Product Research. Over on the left-hand side, click on Product Research. This section is designed to help you discover trending products before you import them into your store. Instead of guessing what customers might buy, you can use real market data to find products that are already performing well. At the top, you'll notice 3 different tabs: Ad Library, Trend Discovery, and Competitor Tracking. We'll start with the Ad Library. This page displays advertisements that are currently running across different platforms. You can use the search bar to type in a niche or product keyword. For example, if you're interested in home decor, fitness equipment, pet products, or kitchen accessories, simply enter your keyword and press Enter. You'll immediately see different product advertisements along with engagement information. Spend a little time scrolling through these ads and pay attention to products that appear repeatedly or have strong engagement. Those are often good indicators that a product is performing well. You can also filter the results by category and delivery country to narrow down your research. Next, switch over to Trend Discovery. This section focuses on products that are currently becoming popular. Instead of manually searching through thousands of listings, Zopi highlights products that are gaining attention, helping you discover opportunities before they become overly competitive. If you have a particular niche in mind, use the search bar or category filter to quickly browse products related to that market. The third tab is Competitor Tracking. This feature allows you to monitor competing stores and discover which products they're selling. For beginners, this can be a great source of inspiration because it helps you understand what's already working in your niche. Rather than copying competitors, you can use their successful products as ideas for your own store. Once you've found a product you like from the product research section, you can simply add it to your product center and edit it just like we did earlier. Now let's return to the dropship operations section and look at Place Orders. Click the Place Orders tab at the top. This is where all customer orders will appear after someone purchases a product from your Shopify store. Since this is a new account, the page is currently empty. But once your store starts receiving orders, you'll be able to manage them from here. Across the top, you'll see different order statuses. Pending orders are waiting to be processed. Shipping orders are currently being delivered. Fulfilled orders have already been completed. And closed orders represent finished transactions. When a customer places an order, you'll select it from the list and follow the fulfillment process through Zopi. If you want to create your own custom view, simply click the plus icon, enter a name for your view, and follow the setup process. Once you're done, the new view will be added to your workspace. On the right-hand side, you'll also see the wallet section. This is where you can manage your Zopi wallet balance. Depending on your account and subscription, you can use it to view your available balance, check your transaction history, and manage the funds used for supported Zopi services and features. Next to Wallet, you'll find the Automation section. This is where you can manage the automation features for your dropshipping store. From here, you can configure automatic tasks, such as syncing products, updating inventory and prices, processing orders, and other routine operations. These automation tools help reduce manual work and keep your store up to date, making it easier to manage your business efficiently. As your business grows, these tools help you organize large numbers of orders much more efficiently. Now, let's take a look at another helpful feature inside Zopi, which is the AI Assistant. From the left-hand navigation menu, click AI Assistant. This feature is designed to help you complete common dropshipping tasks much faster using artificial intelligence. Under the AI Assistant section, you'll see options such as Chatbot, AI Assistant, and Contact Support. The chatbot lets you quickly get answers to common questions about using Zopi. You can ask it about different features, troubleshooting steps, or general guidance, making it a fast way to find help without leaving the dashboard. Let's move to AI Assistant section. At the bottom of the page, you'll see a chat box where you can type your request. For example, you can ask the AI to recommend trending products under a certain budget, improve a product title, rewrite a product description, or answer questions about managing your store. The AI Assistant will generate a response within a few seconds. You'll also notice options like Chat Connector and Skill Library. These allow you to expand the assistant's capabilities and use additional AI-powered tools. If you ever run into an issue that the AI can't solve, simply click Contact Support, and you'll be able to reach the Zopi support team directly. Although you don't need to use the AI Assistant every day, it's a great feature for saving time as your store grows. Now let's move on to integrations. Click Integrations from the left sidebar. This section allows you to connect Zopi with the platforms you use for your business. If your Shopify store isn't connected yet, this is where you'll do it. Simply choose the platform you want to connect, follow the authorization process, and once the connection is complete, your products and orders will begin syncing automatically. Using integrations means you won't have to manually transfer product information or customer orders between different platforms, making your workflow much more efficient. Next, let's look at the Settings section. Click Settings from the left navigation menu. Here you'll find several categories that let you customize how Zopi works with your store. The first section is Manage Account. This is where you can manage your account information, review your connected store, and update your profile details whenever necessary. Next is Pricing Rules, which is one of the most important settings for beginners. Instead of manually editing the price of every product, Zopi allows you to create automatic pricing rules. You'll also see Supplier Monitoring. This feature helps you keep track of changes made by your suppliers. If a supplier updates a product's price, stock availability, or removes the product completely, Zopi can notify you so you can review the changes before they affect your store. Another useful option is Order Settings. Open this section to configure how your orders are processed. Depending on your workflow, you can adjust the available order preferences and automation settings so that order fulfillment becomes more efficient as your business grows. Finally, if you ever need additional help while using the platform, click Help Center from the left sidebar. Here you'll find tutorials, guides, frequently asked questions, and support resources that can help you solve common issues. If you can't find the answer you're looking for, you can always contact the support team directly for further assistance. At this point, you've learned the complete beginner workflow inside Zopi. Once you're comfortable with these features, you'll be able to build your product catalog much faster and manage your dropshipping business more efficiently. That brings us to the end of this beginner's tutorial on Zopi. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.